Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Call of Duty Warzone on PC using Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Steam application on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your Steam library, you'll want to navigate to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type Call of Duty Warzone, then press enter to search for the game. This will pull up all the relevant results related to Warzone in the Steam store. From the search results that appear, click on Call of Duty Warzone. This will take you directly to the game's store page where you can view all the details about the game, including system requirements, screenshots, and installation options. Once you're on the game's page, you'll see a button that says Play Game. Go ahead and click on it to begin the installation process. After clicking Play Game, Steam will prompt you to configure your installation settings. Here, you'll need to select your preferred local drive where you want to install the game. This is important because Warzone is quite a large game and requires substantial storage space, so make sure you choose a drive that has enough available capacity to handle the installation. Take a moment to review your drive selection and ensure you're installing it on the right location. Once you've selected your preferred drive, click the Install button. Steam will now begin downloading and installing Call of Duty Warzone onto your computer. This process might take some time depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the game files, so be patient while Steam handles everything in the background. You can monitor the download progress from your Steam library under the Download section, and that's it. You've successfully started the installation of Call of Duty Warzone on your PC through Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.